In this morning, we asked Bambang to demonstrate the formatting of an ionic bond between sodium and chlorine in sodium chloride. Bambang fill a beaker with a chlorine gas. That chlorine gas, Cl2, is a yellow gas. He will also use solid sodium metal. Sodium metal is a shiny silver metal that is very soft. He can actually cut it with a knife. Sodium metal is a very reactive. It will react with air and water. So it is so stored under hexane. To make it the reaction process, he wants to clean the sodium, making its surface very clean and warm it slightly to help the reaction along. He will do this by placing the sodium on the spatula and then heating it over a flame to clean the surface and make the sodium warm enough to start the chemical reaction. The reaction between sodium metal and chlorine gas take the place with an energy released as a bright red-like characteristic of sodium emission. The positive ion formed on the sodium and the negative ion formed on the chlorine combine with a Coulombic interaction forming the ionic bond. The formation of this ionic bond with a positive and negative charge attracting each other release energy, which is the driving force of this chemical reaction. The reaction between sodium and chlorine, of course, from a sodium chlorine, we usually know it as a table salt. Bambang had prepared it beforehand. He has a purified white table salt to show us. And Bambang tell me that the salt he made in his lab is far superior to any salt you can buy in the store. Thank you, Bambang, for this demonstrating that sodium chloride is an important savoring and flavor enchanter. And when you make it yourself, the satisfaction is much greater. Thank you for watching. Don't miss the opportunity to learn more about fantastic chemistry.